Hey, all right. What's up, guys? All right, so we just restarted the stream. Lag was there. I want to make sure our experience is the best as it can be. So we went ahead and just did a quick little reset fresh right before we get things going. I think it was exactly what we needed. Thank you, Danny, for I believe that was you that spoke up on that one, letting me know it was just a little off. So let's go ahead. Edit post here. There we go. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we should be up and running. Hey, we got eyes on us already again. What's up, guys? There we go. All right, so that should be up and running again. Let me know how that's running. Danny, yeah, perfect, bud. Yeah, good morning. What up, D? How's it going? Good morning, Will. Good morning. All right, let's see what we got. There's a Tesla competitor out there, huh? Will, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. So what we're gonna do is just share it one last time that we are live. Stock Talk, share to our group. Live now. Go. All right, cool. We can put that down. Robinhood's up. Okay, Facebook is on the up and up start so far. Good. Disney, it's on its way up. Good. They're in the directions they should be going. Disney, I'm surprised it didn't have its turn yesterday is what it was, but it's coming. Michael, thank you for liking the stream, buddy. Remember, guys, every time you like the video, it's going to bump the video higher up there when it comes towards groups and things like that. So every time you like that video, guys, it's helping us bump our way up there, getting us noticed. It's helping that stock family grow. So every time you do that, you share it, you like it, any kind of love you give the video is helping the stock family grow, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and start our stock searches. Let's see what we need to look at this morning. So what is this, Will? VTIQ. It is a Tesla competitor, you're saying, huh? Nikola merging with, oh, here we go. Tesla competitor, possibly? Nikola merging with Victor. This people right here. It might actually be a smart idea. Do they just start having these talks? 6, 7, 8, 11th, spiking. Spike, drop, spike. It's about to go right back up early this morning, I'd assume. What did it close at? 21. It's already gaining $1 almost. Yeah, no, this is looking good. So you're saying this team is possibly merging with who? Nikola? I'm curious if I actually don't have Nikola. When you say Nikola, you mean Tesla? Like, what do you mean by it? But Tesla competitor? No. Okay, you actually mean Nikola merging with them to become a competitor. All right, no, that's actually pretty cool. Man, thanks for liking the stream, man. Hell yeah, guys. Thanks for showing that love I was talking about already. So, hit follow on that stream if you haven't already, guys. So, merging with, there's a possibility, like, they are definitely increasing the last week, like they are having a merger with somebody. So we're looking at VTIQ. Stock. Tesla 3 clean stock thriving during the pandemic. Why stock is surging 2 days ago. Okay, you. There's no big move. Nikola confirmed earlier this week on the merger that is on track to close in the first 2 weeks of June, May, June. Okay. So, yeah, so I guess people are trying to grab this. It's going to be June. That's weeks away, guys. Like, this thing may have some good crawl space. Ooh, excuse me. All right, everyone else got their caffeine? Make sure you got your caffeine, guys. This is good. Yeah, they're merging, and that's the reason that's skyrocketed. It's still got room to go. I'm curious with how far it's thinking it'll go. Damn, dude, that is beautiful. How did no one brought up VTIQ at all in the past few days, guys? I'm surprised. You know what, Will? That's why we have you here, man. Why didn't you bring it up sooner? Nah, I'm joking, but no, that's a good one. That climb, that's beautiful. Hey, anyone jump on this in time? Like I said, this may still keep going up. It's got weeks till the merger is actually complete. See here. Good morning, team. Nathan, what up, buddy? How's it going? Good morning, Nathan. Thank you for joining the stream this morning, buddy. All right, yeah, Pablo, yeah, VTIQ. We're just checking it out right now. How they're having the merger going to complete by the first 2 weeks of next month. So with that being said, this thing's got room to climb a little bit. I don't know if they're going to realize where to settle it out at, but as of right now, looking at candlestick, it's going to just rise up this morning. I think we're just going to see a lot of sell-offs while it rises for a moment. So you jump on it here and now, you may be able to get $2 out of it. But there so far $4. No, that was the other day. Okay. Well, Mesh, thanks for following the stream, guys. Thank you. Welcome to the stock family. All right, but no, God, good promise. Look at that, especially with that merger deal. So, if they are a special competitor to Tesla right now, I think anything that is considered a Tesla competitor may shine through this week because, oh my God, dude, Elon Musk and all this news that he's got going on over the weekend was just a spectacle to watch. I didn't really want to say I enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed watching it. It's mainly because it's like the bedtime story of stocks almost. What fairy tale do we have today? And it's listening to Elon go, we're gonna open up against state law and all this. Like, oh my gosh, I'm sitting tight just to watch what the hell happens. Like, oh, if we get arrested, I'll get arrested alongside them. I'm like, I get it, but not everybody's got your revenue to really care about getting arrested. Like, they're gonna get arrested and somehow your revenue is gonna go up. I don't know. I'm just saying things don't affect you the same way it affects other people. So I'm just saying maybe have it in writing that you're gonna like defend everybody in court, you know. Not saying you wouldn't do that. Yeah, you know, if you're gonna go into work and for Elon and get arrested the first day, you know, have something in writing. But regardless, it's been just a joy to watch what the hell is going on there. Him saying he's gonna pull out of California and just pick it up as if he's gonna put it on a helicopter and just land it somewhere else. It's amazing to see what how you could flippantly talk about just where you're gonna have thousands of jobs. It's insane. But yeah, watching that one close. Let's see. Like you said, someone said Tesla is actually on the rise this morning so far with pre-market, which is just like, let's see, we closed at 810. It's already climbed $15 since last night, since yesterday. He's talking about all this craziness. How does this happen within a company when you just talk about a little of instability, where you talk about, like, this isn't even a little, this is like, we're gonna go, you know, open things up against state law. I get it, but like, how is stock going up in this time? Is this not when you're like, hey, this is a little uncertain, let's sell stock till we're certain? Like, that's usually those moments. But here you're just like, the guy's gonna open up his uh his factory and like knowingly get arrested, yada yada, and like go against this, and the stocks go up. Like how do we like really can't, it's like encouraging it to a degree. Like we can't really be over on the sides and be like, oh man, what's gonna happen when we're the ones pushing his stocks up somehow, and like it's just gonna bolster anything that he's feeling. Like if he's just like, hey, I'm gonna stand up and move this stuff to a middle of an island somewhere, and he sees the stocks go up, he's gonna be like, maybe that was an awesome idea. Like I want to say he kind of goes where the stocks go, but like, dude, even he drives his own stocks down by saying they're too high. Like this guy is just something, dude. Like Tesla's obviously, it's like we're all gonna look back and be like, of course Tesla's the $1,000 stock now. Of course it is. It's how'd you not see it coming? But like it's like everyone feels it. Everyone knows this momentum coming from Tesla. This unreasonable momentum coming from Tesla. Like I get it. I say unreasonable. Like reasonably, yes. We can see how it's going to go down with the electric cars and the solar panels, and having like the solar panels alone on rooftops. Like that investment alone is amazing. But Tesla's obviously the future. They're going to have a lot to invest into it. A lot of the future is going to be kind of like on a bedrock from Tesla almost. But the mere fact that we know Tesla is going to be some kind of bedrock, and this is how it's operating so far, is insane. It's freaking insane. Like there are talks of the Tesla being the main UK electricity supplier. Like how does that happen? Well, like no, you're not really how. It's they have the promise just to do it. Like hell, like they could promise to do something that they don't even have the capacity to do, and say we're gonna do this, and then all of a sudden the stocks are gonna go up $400-$300 and just be like, now we have the capacity to do this. And that's in a way a smart way to do things. Like especially if you can get away with that. Like it sounds like such an Elon Musk way of doing things, is like, let's tell them we can do it while we don't have the resources to do it. Get it bolstered. We have the resources to do it. They never knew wiser that we didn't. Like I really feel like it's an Elon Musky kind of a thing. Breeze, thank you for following the stream. Sanction, thank you for following the stream, guys. Hell yeah. I wish I could go down the name of how many new followers we got today and all the likes and everything. I usually give a good shout out to everybody, but it's gone so exponentially on the up today that I think it would take a good long minute to start saying everybody's names. But you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's just do it. Let's do one of my infamous throwdowns on names real quick, just saying thank you so much for everybody following and sharing. Oh, you know what? It actually, oh, here we go. 15 seconds of names. Let's do it. If I mess up, I'm sorry, but it's also, come on. Jennifer, Billy, Tracy, Jose, Sanction, Breeze, Jose, Kenny. Oh my gosh, a lot of people just started saying okay. Enrique, Ann, Matt, Patricia, Nay, Devin, Will, Matt, JJ? Yeah. Andy, Steve, Chelsea, Tina, Umesh, Belinda, Eric. Oh my god, guys. Garrett, Brad, Leo, Lexam, Dave, Nathan, Nick, Sarah, Matt, Erica, Wayne, Sean, Saad, Law, D. All right. Oh, we're caught up. No, we're not really caught up. Actually, we'd be caught up like... Oh, here we go. Takesha, Kevin, Mike, and then Matt. Thank you guys for following the stream. You're all noobs here. I'm joking. You're all loved here. You're part of the stock family where you can come back to the page any day, see what we're all talking about, be part of the conversation. Normally you would have, I don't remember how I have this stream set up, but normally you would have to follow to just chat. So go ahead and follow if you haven't already. Let's get back to the chat, guys. Let's see here. Search for Nicola. See, here's the weird thing. I put Nicola right here in Robinhood. What's the... Here. Nicola symbol. What's our... Thank you everyone for liking the stream. Hell yeah, guys. NKLA. I guess it's just not a stock that's available via Robinhood. So they're the ones that are buying. Dude, where is my... Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. We're going to go to bookmarks. We're going to open up our bigger graphs here on the side. Thank you, everybody, for liking the stream, guys. This is amazing. DK is on the... Oh, dude. Of course it's on the rise, man. I'm kicking myself in the ass that I didn't get it at 23. That is totally when to get DraftKings. What were we looking at on the side? Blah, blah, blah. Tesla? Or not Tesla. Damn it, Nikola. Dude, I just realized there's a Tesla and a Nikola. Oh my gosh, that's hilariously awesome. Dude, I'm sorry. NKTS, is this it? No. NKLA. NKLA. Dude. Do they not have public stock or anything? I guess they don't. Like, what the hell? Jose, thanks for liking the stream, man. Hell yeah, guys. Alright, so you know what? Yeah, forget that. Here. DraftKings. Oh my flip-a-dip. Flip-a-dip-a-dip-a-dip. Oh my god, DraftKings, you son of a gun. I knew I should have grabbed you when you were at 23. Like, how could I not, right? Grr. Yeah, guys, I've been preaching DraftKings for a while now, and just this is all the more rise right here. Let's see what we got also in the chat. Holy cow, look at all that. Is this the actual show now? Bill, what do you mean? What's the actual show going on? Laddie bought at $20. Any publicity is good publicity. Hey, true that, you know. You're definitely showing you're not going anywhere. Bought at 20? Hell yeah, guys. I saw it. Yeah, dude. Everyone's loving that. 116 watching, Nikki. That is. Like, I got a lot of prying eyes out there. I hope they're hitting follow. All right, guys. Rolls Royce. What do you got going on with Rolls Royce? God, DraftKings a little too much right here. Kicking myself in the butt. But you know what? Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Not here. I've been telling people about DraftKings. I've known about DraftKings. Sadly, I just didn't bet it on it myself just because I know they have the earnings at the end of the week. Normally, you would see them kind of sell off, but I guess what I'm going to see here is they're going to rise because of the earnings at the end of the week. We're going to see a sell-off, earnings, and then whatever, you know, judging from how that's going to look. Rolls Royce. So what's going on with Rolls Royce lately? I haven't seen Rolls Royce. No one's brought it up yet. Let's see. After the last year, we're looking at, of course, March, April. Okay, looking on the little decline though for coming back from what it was. It can deliver up to 1 billion of savings this year. It's a big sell. 860 fair value. Like, nah. For some reason, I hate to say it, when it comes towards the signs this is giving Rolls Royce is not really looking too healthy. This last day, let me expand the last day here. So everyone's selling and getting off of it, coming back a little bit. It might hover around $350. It's gonna come back up, but I think it's gonna hover around here. 350 to 360. If it's like, even if there was a spike, I think the spike would be on a small decline, because is there earnings coming out for these guys soon or something? Because yeah, very uncertainty high. Rolls Royce, it just doesn't sound like a stock you would really want to have right now. Bentley is better. Let's see, Billy, but yeah, that's what we got about the Rolls Royce there, man. Let's see, because it's, I don't know why they're on this decline, especially in the week, the month. Like, what I'm wondering is, everyone's normally had their little comeback already within these last 3 months. Rolls, they're not really doing it. I don't know if it's because they're just knowing people are going to be a little hardship for money after all this, and so when it comes to leisure, I don't think Rolls Royce is going to be the way to go after that. I think diamonds and things like this are going to die after this. Like, people aren't going to be spending their money on just, like, you know, certain things like that. Like, not that they couldn't or wouldn't. More like they wouldn't or couldn't. More like people are going to be thinking it through this time of year. All right, guys, 124 eyes. Thank you, everybody. Seriously, this is actually pretty amazing right here. CDC for Danny. Let's look what we got. Or SDC. Smile Direct Club. What do we got? Hey, and also, you know what? When it comes to Phil, hey, Philomena, let me know what you would like looked at today. I just realized I've seen anything, you know, about what you'd like me to look at today. So you bought it at 20. I'm glad to hear that you bought that DraftKings though. Smile Direct Club. Let's see. Oh, good little up. Oh, let's see here. Smile Direct Club. Smile Direct Club and provide dental services. Yeah, of course it dropped while people were on lockdown, and it's coming right back healthily. Like, yeah, it's a good buy, little hold, little sell. Reasonable under. Oh, they haven't been around long. September. Yeah, so they came out just not looking good. That would have been a good time to buy that $4. Like that, they just, you know, came out at a very terrible time. Like, you don't see this coming. Do I stream on YouTube also? It's all right here, buddy. I do go to YouTube, but I'm trying to keep this so coalesced that just follow this page and you'll have everything where you need it. But one thing that I am comparing this to YouTube, or the reason I'm doing this compared to YouTube, is because I hear that Facebook is going to be having a great way of having people having their content, so you could have subscriptions and things like that. And I think this would be a good way on, because, you know, Facebook doesn't really have too many revenues or too many ways of, such this right here, little talk, stock, live scenario broadcast. Facebook doesn't really have it. I feel like YouTube's a little diluted with it. It could be, if you know, more so than anything else. So yeah, I got my station right here over here, guys. Thank you everyone for hitting follow. We've been averaging about 150 to 200 follows a session. Oh, thank you everybody. We hit 1,000 followers yesterday, and we also hit over 500 likes on the page yesterday. Page has been up for about a week and a half now, guys. Been doing very great. But no, Smile Direct, guys. This is looking, it's healthy. It's coming back. It's nothing but rise. Yeah, it's finding its time to come back to what it could be. For now, I see it coming back to 11. At that, no, yeah, it's a good little bump. It's gonna hit 11 for sure. I think this might be a new. They might find that as the new normal until they get any more word on how even they'll be. Darren, thank you for liking the stream, buddy. They bought solar panel companies. Oh, all right. Okay, UGEL. See, it's a little hard right now to. I gotta possibly catch up on the chat right now. It's kind of getting a little. Yeah, couldn't find out on Robinhood. If Jake's getting everyone his good mornings, right on, right on. Thoughts on the Rolls Royce? We did that with Billy. Do I stream on YouTube? No, not currently. I do stream games on Twitch though. If you want to watch me game, that's twitch.tv/LA Hearts. Shit, I believe that's correct. You know, I'm so sorry if I'm just gonna be shouting things out on the fly real quick. Let me make sure I got this right. Yes, LA Hearts, if you want to see me screw around, play some video games. But other than that, that's what that is. Okay. LOL, Rose Royce, SDC. That's okay. We're getting a little caught up now. SDC, that was that Smile Dental Club, right? That was awesome. Yes, you have. Don't be foolish. Earning report Friday. I know, Vidin. I know. I've been the one literally preaching the DraftKings. I want everyone else to take advantage of this, man. Not that I can't. I'm just. Look at me. I haven't even looked at my portfolio this morning, really. Disney, what are you doing, buddy? Closed at 107.77. Gained $1 overnight, so I can't really. They're heading in the right direction, I guess. Like. Up should have been the direction yesterday is all I'm trying to say. So by the end of today, we're gonna see where Disney's looking at. You know, I'm not selling. I'm not gonna really touch anything. My thought was maybe if Disney topped off today, I can sell it, put it on Facebook, because there's small talk about a second wave coming, new cases over in South Korea and China and things like that. So this is that moment where ears are to the ground. You're being steady. You're being careful. And just know your news, guys. Seriously, like when that COVID hit in Wuhan, like I was watching the news about that stuff back in December, like early December, mid-December, easy. And it was crazy, literally watching the news of literally watching the first like 5 people get infected and watching the news from there grow was an insane experience. So yeah, things like that, you got to keep your ear to the ground too. It grows. It's a freaking virus. It multiplies. It grows. So, but things like that, or when you got to know about putting your stock in eateries, things like that, travel, because those are what's going to pull back. People are going to be, you know, maybe people are going to be staying at home again, so people are going to be pulling back, and there's going to be thousands of more other people selling that stock before you. So you got to be thinking it right along with. Watch them candlesticks and all that, guys. Oh yeah, and then I was gonna pull up the camera view here on the side because that's just dope to do. Get that Samsung Flow going. All right. Couldn't find that on Robert Nicola switching after the merge. Oh, it's switching. Nicola is VTIQ, then switching after the merge. All right. Thank you for Christian for getting that clarified. That is awesome. All right. I was wondering why that wasn't happening that way. All right, so we got that. We're rolling down. Tesla at 20. What are we talking about? Tesla at 20. Phil, what? Phil, you talking crazy? What do you? I see the words Tesla at 20, and that just doesn't compute to me. What are you talking about? Why are you talking this? All right, just why? Use to verify. Come on, dude, just verify. All right. Okay. All right, moving on. Like I said, that's gonna take a little moment. All right, going down the chat here. Oh yeah. How is Tesla doing this morning so far, guys? Like you were saying, it dropped out at 19. It went up $15 freaking dollars. How does uncertainty to the degree of not opening up your business to being arrested and all this jazz, how does that uncertainty gain you $15 in stocks? Like, that's how you encourage someone to just keep doing what they're doing, right? And for devices, this is what we're doing here. Start. Come on, guy. There we go. All right, register. Register a new device? No. Just connect, damn it. That's all I'm asking. Don't shoot it. Back. Verify. Identify. All right. But yeah, Tesla. Deals on my part here. Mark Katos. Mark, jump on that Katos, right? It's doing its. What is it doing like this morning? It's like, dude, did you read how many freaking articles there were over the weekend? Katos should have been driving higher. All right, okay. 1690 came up to six. All right, it came up to cents overnight. When the hell is it gonna top out? All right, keep a close eye on this one, guys. Like I said, Kratos is definitely it's 100% buy. It's on its way up. I have no like we went through our analysis on this one. The spike should have happened yesterday, if not today. There's so many good things going on. They just had $1 billion contracts renewed right now, and oh my goodness. Jason, thanks for that follow, man. Let's see how we're looking at that last. Up, sell, up, little sell. It might go down a little bit the morning, and then up. Actually, it went up over the weekend. So I already had that. Yeah, so it might have that little sell and then up again. But god damn it, keep a close eye on Kratos if you would like to. But it's also one of those things you can let sit. It will come back. It's look at this. Yeah, come on. See this spike? It should have just kept going as all it was, is what I expected. Thanks for sharing. But now it's just gonna go a little steady and then up is what it is. Jeff, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. Things like this. Oh, and thank you for sharing the stream as well. Hell yeah. But things like liking the stream, guys, is what helps it get noticed on all the pages it gets put on. It gets it bumped up every time you like it, you love it, you know. So thank you so much, guys, for doing that. Look, Anthony, look at NVAX. What's NVAX? What do we got here? Novavax. Sounds like something that launched up with every other vaccine thing. Look at this, guys. This is launched up overnight. Holy shit, 23 to 40. Holy shit, guys. Look at this. I mean, darn. Oopsie daisy. Whoop-de-loo. Sorry, guys. I gotta get my... Where is it? I have a button here for this. God, son of a... Yeah, there. Yeah, that's my button. I got my button back. All right. We're looking at Novavax. Dude, Novavax is looking beautiful here. It's a... Always hitting projections just about. A little under those, but good projections. Novavax for coronavirus, single biggest investment to date. Update, stocks skyrocket. Pre-market on the on news of 384 million in funding for COVID vaccine candidate. So they just got hella bumped. Who knows how high that'll go? It's still rising, still shooting up. Look at that. That's an amazing one. So pre-markets are open, guys. Is that it? Yeah. So damn, dude, that's gonna shoot up to like 50 easy. Look at that guy. Okay. Woo. All right, what? Everyone's looking at Mark. Is Mark something to look up? Everyone's just yelling out Mark. Is Mark something? Why are we all yelling Mark? Oh, Mark is something. I thought we're all shouting out Mark. I'm like, what is Mark saying, everybody? Why is Mark talking about all these stocks? All right. Here we go. Mark Holding, look at this. Since all the way. Yesterday it launched. What is this right here? Hitting it, just hit it. They are Remark Holdings, focuses on development and deployment of artificial intelligence-based solutions for business and software developers in many industries. It owns and operates digital media properties that deliver content. All right, Remark Holding. So Mark stock news. Discover why stocks post. These stocks will be on your penny stocks to buy. Let's just sell. Remark. There's more to it than Walmart. What? It's flying in the market today, and it's nothing new. For several trading sessions, the stock traded on either single or double-digit. Recent evidence shows that one of these customers may be Walmart, but there's much more than this. Walmart. Like Walmart. We are pleased to partner with Tongue and add smart AI capabilities to their medical robot geared towards detecting. Oh Jesus, Cardigan student report spreads. Oh wow, dude, they actually are. In addition, beneficiary of Walmart, strong push into healthcare. Dude, yeah, nice. I think Mark's gonna continue rising for a moment here. That's actually, yeah, it sounds beautiful. I don't think it'll be like the next. You know, don't ride all your money on it. Yeah, no, they're just saying it's lined up kind of for what this situation will be. Yeah, everyone, yeah, keep Mark on the watch list, guys. I like that. I had to watch this. Curious to see how that one flies. All right, guys, I am sorry to say I'm going to scroll down a bit, get caught up on our... Okay, Philly, that's where you bought Tesla at 20? Is that what we were talking about? What? Asked before you had to refresh. Etsy hits all-time high. What are your thoughts? Yeah. So is Hibby, Haynes, and... Oh, yeah, all right. So we're going to take a moment for Philomena here, guys. I'm gonna look at some stocks. Philomena is a great follower that I've had here practically for the last week. Solid straight. She's been great at always coming back to these things. A lot of you have been great coming back to these things. And I'll do my best to, you know, I wouldn't say prioritize. I'd say prioritize. But, you know, yeah, you know, we're gonna... I'm not saying I play favorites in my stock family, but I will take care of... Not saying my favorites, but, you know, my stock family. All right, guys. So let's see what we can look at for Philomena here. So we want to look at Etsy. It's hitting an all-time high again, right? Jesus Christ. And well, Etsy's on the rise because everyone's staying indoors. Everyone's gonna be making money. You know what? Yeah, Etsy's the future, guys. Frick, man. Look at this. We saw its potential. It's up there. It's probably $100 stock, Etsy. It's probably $100 stock now. It was suddenly Cyber Monday. Etsy CEO says sales spiked so much in April. Holy hell, dude. These 3 Etsy shop owners have sold hundreds of clothing. That's insane. Yeah, bigger than just masks. Of course. Now, Etsy's a great purchase. Like, it's a business model in general of just what is it, just homemade crafts to be sold is what Etsy is practically. I have had a few things on Etsy. Want to see what I had on Etsy? Look at this. Let me share a quick little invention I made with you guys if you're willing to see it real quick. It only takes 5 seconds. I call it the tack shelf. So I modeled it, I 3D printed it all myself, and what this is it is a shelf that goes up on your wall just by tacking it. And by doing so, you have an instant shelf to carry your pop figures. And by pop figures, you know, you're like, hey, I'm just gonna put this on the wall. I have different sizes, yada yada. That thing's heavy. Not a good example, but yeah, you know, up on the wall. These are awesome little shelves. This is my Etsy device right here. Yeah, I make these. Yeah. No, I just, you know, not to toot my own horn or anything, but you were talking Etsy. Come on, how can I not take advantage of that little situation? All right, here we go. But no, Etsy's looking promising as hell. Like, yeah, no, Etsy's gonna climb. Like I said, 100 is my thought, and I could get steady right there. And so is HBI. So the Hanes. Like, let's take a quick look at Hanes we got here. Look at all those prying eyes. 130 eyes out there. I don't know if all of you hit follow just yet. Hit follow to do so. Normally you have to hit follow just to comment. I don't believe today's broadcast is set up that way, but normally it is. So hit the follow now if you want to be talking in the future. So Hanes, sorry, let me get that right there again. What a beautiful launch up in the morning here. It's definitely going to come back to that 950 mark, no doubt about that. Definitely had its Mondays, all this was. It's had its sells. Hit a little under its earnings. It was updated on the 7th, just last week, as a 23 fair value. Oh yeah, it might even hit 10 to 15 here in the next 2 weeks. Beautiful launch up there on the Hanes, though. But yeah, no, that's going to come up live. JD, thank you for hitting that follow. Hell yeah. Marco, thank you for hitting that follow. Hell yeah. Thank you for growing that stock family, guys. What was that other one we asked for, Phil? And LV. Oh, that's the longest symbol I saw. LVMYU. Louis Vuitton, huh? Oh, I don't. How Louis Vuitton here? All right, well, let's go and just look outside of here then, I guess. You got them nice stocks, huh? You got them the designer stocks. All right. 75, 75, 80 closed at 6, 75. Last 5 days. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Damn, what a roller coaster for that. Damn, dude. When the hell are you going to get your grip is what it is mainly, is what you're asking, I guess, right? In the last 3 days, Nvidia stock overpriced, maybe Tiffany's purchase by Louis Vuitton may be at risk. Well, Louis Vuitton is making purchases as if that was 2 weeks ago. That's probably when that jump was, huh? 2 weeks ago. That's probably this jump right here. When they're buying that. Yeah, no, it's one of those to hold on to for sure if you're already in the market. If you bought it during that low, like, then awesome. Maybe sell for profit, but you know what? No, you could definitely hold on. It's like these are companies that are going to go anywhere. These are companies that just sell their bag for 150 bucks and they're already in profit. All right. Jimmy, thanks for that follow. Lom, thanks for the follow. Thank you guys. Like I said, we've been averaging about 200 new follows per stream session. You guys are making this a pretty damn healthy stream. By the way, guys, I don't mean to sound like a moocher, but I'd love to turn this into a living, guys. I would love to not go to work anymore and just wake up every day, do this, maybe even evening analysis and do another video. But I can do things like that if people start donating and putting that toward, give me some donations to a degree. And I would love to turn this into a thing. I would love to see if this has the signs of showing it can be something, because I would love to put my day aside to help this morning entertainment for everybody because I enjoy this stock fam time right here, and this could be great. It's a alrighty. So we're back to our chat feed here. We looked at Philomena's things. Joe, let's go ahead and take a look at what you got here, man. So we got Joe looking at BLMN. Got here Bloomin' Brands. All right, good increase, great increase actually. Great buy, great hold. Bloomin' Brands engages in the acquisition, operation, design, and development of restaurant concepts. Hey, it operates through the following segments: U.S. and international. That is a operations, design, development of restaurant concepts. That is a beautiful business. I like that. Bloomin' Brands. It's literally just helping you with your business model and things like that. And it's here's that spike. It was at 13. That's easily going to come back. No, this is a great business. That's a great hold. If you want to wait, maybe let's see here. It may be a dip here though. Let's see if there's going to be a buy, sell. Bloomin' may still drop as of this morning a little bit for a little sell-off and then gains, but either way it's heading back up. So if you want to grab it now, it's like you're just guaranteeing that you'll have it, or you can wait for a drop. Either way it's yours, but I can see Bloomin' Brands coming back. That's a great concept. I like that. And then Play. Oh dude, I have big hopes for Dave & Buster's. I knew they evened out their rep. Yeah, $11 feels like it's the new equilibrium right here. I felt it tapped. Yeah, sounds about right. Like I was on Dave & Buster's when it was at, I believe I was riding this pump right there. Was it that one? I forgot where I was, but I was in the Dave & Buster ones prior, the day they got the buyout of shares from somebody, like a whole bunch to help even out their books. But no, Dave & Buster's, it's gonna come back, and it's whenever we do start opening up slowly, God, people want to get out. They're gonna go to places like Dave & Buster's. It's gonna be launching big, so it's like if you have the money to hold on Dave & Buster's, put it down because it's gonna come back regardless. Maybe at 1050. Yeah, maybe. No, actually, 1050 is not really a new low. Yeah, you know what? Like I said, it's riding 11 as it's new. Maybe put a 1080, 1085 that way, so at least while it's riding 11, it'll show it'll at least look green, you know. Tilray, how have they been looking? I didn't read what news they released when it came to them and ACB releasing their new findings of how they've been storing their marijuana. So I'm kind of curious on how that's affected. Like, let's see here. Tilray says coronavirus has not significantly impacted its ability to sell marijuana. I would hope so. Okay, they give the detailings. Week. Expand. Buy, sell. Well, it's gonna go up. I expect it's gonna spike up this morning. If anything, let's see, it's 780. If anything, 8. Back to this. Pretty nice. It's on the incline. Tilray's not going to go anywhere. It's if you buy it now while it's on that dip, I'd say. If anything, you yeah, this is a great dip to buy it on. And let's see, 11th, 12th. This was within the last 8 hours. Yeah, no, this is great news. Great. This is news that will reflect on the positive side. So I can see it coming back steady, 815. Yeah, I can see that at least for a bit, and then we're gonna wait for that turn. What do I think of oil? Oh, dude. If you're watching close enough, oils, you know, we hit the lows to buy oil already. If you bought it, stay in it. Let's see where we're looking at when it comes to. Damn, USO has been the look at. Kind of what you look at to see how things are looking. All right. That, yep, it was $17. Good, already hitting 21. Oh, guys, is USO coming back? It hit this. It's actually going to go up a bit. Is it going to hit 25? I think it might hit 25. Is it on? What? When would it do that though? Look at this. Look at that steady come. Took a week to do it. Gonna keep going, but no. My thought on oil right now, dude. It's a pandemic time. My game on oil right now is it's too risky. I'm gonna stay away from it. I'm gonna be on things like Facebook and the technology things. But oil, I don't know when it's gonna have its turn, man. If anything, it recovered a bit from that dip. It's gonna come back. Like, how can it not? It's only about a matter of time and when and how much you want to invest sitting there and just not being able to invest in other things until then. But no, oil, it's a great investment. I don't know if it already had its little bottom out of what it was. So if you're in it already, hell yeah. How's that? ERI. El Dorado. We're looking at ERI for Albert here. Eddie, thanks for that follow, man. Hell yeah. Keeping that stock family growing. One beautiful 18 bars up to 20. Oh my god, my Samsung Flow. What the hell is going on? You're being so crappy over here, man. Now I'm pretty sure this is just rising as the talks of Vegas opening up and all that. Oh, they had their transcript call on the 11th as of last night. It was a big miss. So what's gonna happen? The 23 it was actually negative 19 per share. Oh shit. But I think that's what this dip was for already. People bought prior to it. Usually the sell-off is the week ahead of it. I think that's the sell-off coming. Did it already have its dip, I guess? Yeah. It sells, bought, come back. All right. I think people just bought back into it a little earlier than they should have, but normally you would experience that dip after the sell. What? It's not gonna look that way then. Yeah, it's on its way up. On its way up. Yep. Insane. All right. What else we got in the chat here, guys? How do you learn to read the candlestick? Belinda is asking about candlestick, everybody. Okay. It is last time. Let's learn candlestick, everybody. All right. Quick little introduction to candlestick. So let's go here to my big graph. Is when I say big graph, I go to tradingview.com for charts, because down here you can go down to the minute. Over in Robinhood, I believe these are 10-minute intervals. Here is our graph for, let's say, Apple. Look at that. So this is how you read candlestick. Let's zoom on up on this stick right now. Okay. So say, so these are 1 minute intervals. Every stick you see right here is 1 minute passing by. It is all the trades, because trades are by the second, guys. It is by the second. So here is the trades that happened within the minute summed up. And so this is how you can tell within a minute while watching that stick move which kind of direction it's going to go, have a better feeling, a direction of like what's going to happen. So you have green sticks, you have red sticks, right? So what you're going to be right here is looking, so say you have this green stick right here. There's no stick below this candlestick, which means it never dropped into the negatives. If it's green, it means that it starts at the bottom and goes up. If it's red, it means it starts at the top and goes down. So see here at this bump, it opened up this minute at 315.41. It went up all the way to, see this little stick at the top of the green bar. That means it went higher all the way up to 315.69 within that minute. But at the end of that minute, it did not settle on 315. It came back down and settled at 315.65. But that is things like this. So you're going to look at these trajectories right here. You're going to be like, all right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 minutes right here to look at. So we saw it had its, so we see this right here. It had its sell, came back. It had this one right here. See how there's a line candlestick below the green. That means at one point in this minute, it dropped down to about, what is that, 5 cents? And then went back up and ended it right here. The next stick is showing how it started here at 315.32. It dropped down all the way down to here at 315 and went back up and settled here in that minute. And then we see our next minute, etc. Rose up to here, stopped, rose up to here, came back down, stopped. So just in that 5 minutes right here, guys, we can see the big sell-off. We can see how just earlier they made money. They're selling it because that's what happens. Make money, you sell it off. Then you make more. So just in this 5 minutes right here, we see this trajectory that it's coming back, right? So we're going to be like, all right, we can put down on this because it didn't get near its top yet. Normally you wouldn't have your sell-off being right at the previous hump if it was showing, positives. So because you would want to go back further than just the 1 day and whatnot. You want to see where the drops are happening. You want to get the feel. You want to see if this company is actually progressing. So after you're looking at that, you can zoom in on that day again. You could zoom in on that hump. Look at that 5 minutes or so. Like where'd that guy go? Right here. You could look at that 5 minute scenario and just see this trajectory. Boom, up, 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 up. You could see how it's going. The right direction. So notice how we're seeing up, 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 up. That means anticipate a sell-off. So when's it gonna happen? We don't know. Look how high it's going. Holy hell. Boom, boom, boom. Sell-off. Then it's the reason right here, there is another big sell-off right after that dip is because look how heavy this rose without a decent sell-off. There was no decent sell-off right here. It was a lot of people thinking they were gonna sell it off and have it drop lower, but you know what? It was gaining so heavy that they just jumped back into it and watch it go all the way up. But because of that, there was a much heavier dip right here. But remember, being a heavier dip doesn't mean you're a bad company. There's just people making that profit right here. People want that big, those mountains are money, guys. So they sold it off. They got all that profits. And then so when we're looking at this at the end of that day, this is showing what would we expect the next day after seeing such a drop. Like this is Apple, guys. Like you wouldn't look at this candlestick and think, you know what, with them going this far down, they must be crashing. Like obviously, dude, Apple isn't going to be selling out right now. Like you see this huge red dip. It doesn't mean Apple's messing up right now. Like you look at prior, you see how this mountain was taken advantage of. They made that profit. Boom, look at that sell-off point. All that money right there was made. That was money made for somebody. So there was that sell-off. So what this trajectory, when I'm looking at it, would mean the mountain's going to start climbing again. So that's, now reading candlestick is not a 100% theory of how to buy your stocks, place your money. It is a great method to have consistency of what you buy. And that way you can keep the profits moving in the right direction, albeit it may be slower than certain methods, but it is a more consistent method. So what you need when you buy stocks is, more ways than one to how you're going to decide to put money down. That way it's just a much safer, sound investment. But yeah, looking at this huge ass dip, I would expect a much higher rocket and to a degree where it's not going to just come up here and drop so much. I would picture it's going to meet right back here at 316 after being down at 315 easy. So if we went back over here and we saw how Apple's actually doing this morning, look at that. Yeah, they went up already pre-market $3, and you can look at it just how we looked at this dip right here. This dip screams that it's going to make more money. It's going to come back. So yeah, learning how to read candlestick is definitely a valuable way of doing things. Come on, dude, verify. Make sure both devices are on LAN. What? Come on, dude. I'm on the internet. Why you gotta not care about me much? All right, whatever. All right, guys. So yeah, that's a little jump on Candlestick. I hope it was quick enough that retained anything. I hate to say it, guys. Holding Katos. What's happening to Katos right now? Did it do it? What? Did it do it? Yeah. See, it came back. Yep, it's gonna go up. Hell yeah, dude. Hold that Katos. Oh, like I said, it was that 100% buy. Katos is up, dude. God, that makes me so happy. I'm serious. Like, I knew Katos was gonna have that turn. I said Monday, Tuesday. It was gonna start that uptick because they had all the right articles for that to be what it is. So I am glad to hear that it's going back up, especially since I posted that on the stock fan page about my analysis on this. It's one of my, I want to say first in-depth analysis, but it's like I really felt confident about this, and so to see this happening is just awesome. But yeah, 100% hold rate on that one. Hey, audio cut out, no sound, lag, can't hear you. Okay, that happened. Oh my god. Oh, 5 minutes of no audio. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm so sorry. Look at the chat. I was scrolled. Here's the thing when it comes to the chat. I'm reading the chat, but it's scrolled a little higher because I'm trying to keep up with everybody's chat. Son of a bitch. Did I complain? Did I just explain candlestick in mute? Mother flip, dude. I didn't even know your cousin. Oh, Nikki, thanks. Yeah. The views were dropping. I noticed that, and I thought it was because I was getting distracted just talking about. 5 years later. Shit, guys. More than that now. Oh my goodness. Thanks for being alive in the chat. You know what? I'm just gonna do my best to just keep up with the chat. Just welcome back. Oh my goodness, that was ridiculous. But yeah. So did you guys catch Candlestick? I have no idea why my shit went out like that. It went to an instant mute. Whatever. Thanks for being a part of that. Silly watching me just flail my hands around and miming it up, you know? We heard Candlestick, thank God. I didn't want to explain it again. All right. But other than that, oh no. I'm saying airlines are doing great right now. If you have been trying to keep along with what I have on the screen, American Airlines, it's definitely a buy right now. $10 is a great purchase point. I can't see it dropping below that much anymore now. It's like literally, look at this. It's a little on the sell side. I think that's more of the indifference of, oh, actually, prior to purchasing, look at this, do it amazing. Like I said, it was gonna easily go up to that 24 mark here. But keep your ears to the ground about coronavirus second wave, guys. This is a search you guys should be putting up every now and then. Coffee break. Yeah, I did lose 60 views. Well, let's get them back, guys. Share the like the stream, share the stream, do what you can. Get those eyes back. That was son of a gun. What a drop. But you know what? We're still here. It happened after you touched the mic. Oh, that's what it was? I touched you, you son of a gun. I'm not touching you no more. I thought you liked to be touched. It doesn't like to be touched. All right. Second wave news. Renewed outbreaks. 23. That was yesterday. I saw that. All right. Well, if anything, to drive depression. Okay. In the last 24 hours, there have been new cases, they're saying. All right. So my thought is what's going to happen here. We enjoyed the music. Andrew, thank you for sharing the stream, and let's try to get those prying eyes back up. But no, I think it's going to be a moment till this gets traction. But I think this week it's going to get a lot of traction quick. After reopening, yeah. I think, yeah, there's gonna be a second wave, yada yada. It's more of there'll be a second wave. It's more of if we're gonna take the precautions of on lockdown again. I don't know what the hell we'll do over here. Hey, do it. Thank you for tagging your buddy Michael in here, man. That's awesome. 11 Secret Service, yeah, dude, it's ridiculous. Yeah, so in that sense, it's gonna happen again. There's gonna be the second wave. It's gonna be have your stocks in what can, it's already proven to withstand the first wave. Is kind of where I'm at. Like, yeah, you'll still have good stocks to hold that probably won't dip as low as you bought it the first time. Like, maybe things like, Dave and Buster's, Uber, and all that But there's gonna be other stocks that will shine through. Like we already saw Amazon shine through, Facebook shine through. Anything that's ad revenue shines through. So that's gonna kind of be where I'm gonna put my money. Now Facebook is having a good little uptick over here. I was really hoping to have more profits out of Disney. That's why I have more Disney stock than I do the Facebook stock. Looking at Nat, what's going on there? Oh my god, I really lost a lot of views there. That was ridiculous. Well, no worries. We're gonna get them eyes back up. American Tanker is looking low. What it was, maybe under. Okay, let's look at its candle. Healthy right there. Went all the way up to 550. Oh wow, went up to 550. It went down. Up, sell. You know what? I think tankers will get back to 550. Well, maybe if not 550, it'll get it up to 5. It's coming back to 5. Oh, it's at 430. Well, obviously it'll come back to 5. It's not that. Maybe 520. It's on the. Let's see. Is it going up or down? Is what we're trying to say here, right? Might be going. See news. Okay. Attractive short play. Golden months. See, yeah, that's what I thought. So it's looking like you can do it quick, make quick turns, especially if it's on its low right now. It's gonna come back up to that, but I don't know. Like I said, guys, when it comes to oil and things like that, I just don't play that game. It keeps dropping. Well, let's see here. It's dropping, but I think it may have another uptick prior to the drop. Yeah, the threshold is starting to look pretty dim. A lot of green. It's gonna be a little more red here. Yeah, it's gonna keep dropping. If anything, it's probably gonna hit 490, probably 480. But did you buy it at a point where you got profits at least, man? Because seeming iffy. It's real iffy. Yeah, and with that, so like, yeah, I just don't play that game, man. And that keeps dropping. Time to sell. Any thoughts on ET? Today, coming back to what it was, so it's gonna hit 820. Move up 50 cents easy. Goodbye, good sell. 21. It hit just a little lower in the actual, which is why it had its dip. And then that's when you buy it. Yeah, no, it's gonna be great. I hope you bought it on the dip. Yeah, great. Oh yeah, dude, look at that launch. Got in at 6. All right, Katos, what up, Brian? Oh shoot, yeah, let's look at Katos again. So Katos, I had an analysis on my page about saying, we're just trying to make quick flips on this all of a sudden. It's got great news to go up. You know what? Let's expand. Let's look at where in the hell can I access? You know what? I could do it on my phone, and you could see my phone. So what we're gonna do is open up Katos. Oh, I yeah, look at that. People are taking advantage right now of Katos with these high sells right now. See this? This is why Katos isn't going up. People know Katos should be going up, and they're taking advantage of high-ass sells on this guy. There's a lot of buys and sells, buys and sells, buys and sells. Like, it's being highly taken advantage of right now. Yeah, they're just using it as a... Oh, God. That's not helping anybody out. Well, except, yeah, look at, they're selling them by the thousands. They're purchasing by the thousands as well, but they're selling them by the 5,000. Son of a bitch, man. They like put my analysis completely sideways. It's still coming back. Like, not saying it's not gonna come back. It's just this tension right here of restraining it is just, goodness gracious. It means it's gonna be there. It's just gonna take a moment. All right. Jared, thanks for liking the stream, man. Hell yeah. All right. Yeah, no, exactly. Minimize the loss, get out now and all stuff, and find something else to put it in, man. Exactly. Benny, welcome to the Stock Fam, man. If you haven't followed just yet, go ahead and do so. Thanks for liking what this is. I got in at 559. It's up 42 cents. I'm trying to figure out when to jump off. Daniel, what are you talking about, Danny? Oh, is that the ET is what we're talking about when to jump off? You said you got it in at 559. Let me do some time here with you. Okay, good. No. Okay, got in at 515. Good, perfect. Is this the live one? As a day. Okay. Looking beautiful. It's gonna go up. A little sell. It's still going in the right direction. But what is making it take off? Flashes 20 budget. Okay, okay, they're opening things up. You know what? Actually, keep it in it. Hold. Don't sell. I think this will be gaining in the within the week here. ET stock. Actually, that was a good top off. Actually, maybe sell that mountaintop right there and see if it drops. If you want to get back into it, But that looked like a good tip right there. Dollar mark. Other than that, news of why you're gonna be. Let's see. Should they? I don't know. Pay stock market gains. What you should know. Actually, hold it for. God damn it, dude! You actually might be on top of something. Yeah. Okay. ET. Yeah, all right. So yeah. Sell at the spike if you wanted, but that's only if you were going to get back into the game. It's going to have a dip here to the 780. Yeah, it's about, I would, like you said, if you're in it for the quick profits, bam. If you bought a lot, bam, just cut no woulda, coulda, shoulda. Get those profits, get it good. KDP gonna look at. We're also gonna look at Ford. Benny, how often do I do this? I've been actually trying to, even if people donate, just right enough. I am trying to do this Monday through Fridays, 5:30 in the morning, till 7 o'clock, maybe a little past 7, depending on how things are going. But no, yeah, I'm trying to do this Monday through Friday. I'm trying to have this be a thing. If I could turn this into a show and not go to work every day and stay the entertainment for you guys, because think about it. If I just had maybe $2 a month for a subscription, I think we could pull this off. I'm actually thinking more of a $5 a month prescription when they Facebook is able to release that. But I think a $5 subscription for this every Monday through Friday would be reasonable. I'd like to think so. They're hurting on it. Brian, what are they hurting you with? What are you talking about? All right. ADP. Yeah, dude, that energy's about it. Yep, like I said, about to have that mountaintop. And then you can get back in on it, but... ET, it's not showing up. I think you said you messed up, right? ADP, yeah, that's right, yeah, right. Okay, a little drop in the day. Awesome that it came back to that 26. It didn't drop. Good consistency coming back, but opens. Yeah, it's a hold. If you did, I would think if you bought it already, awesome. If you're buying to get into it, there's no profit in it really. It's really no profit. $3. They hit their markers at least. Like, it's gonna go up. Oh wait. Yeah, August is the next serving. 26. They already hit their reasonable. And for being at this time in the coronavirus and or for already hitting their reasonable time, I think that's might be where it stays. Your next Katos like pick. Let's see. Oh, dude, DraftKings. I've been on top of DraftKings hella hard. Oh shoot, out of my notifications. No, but with DraftKings having their release at the end of the week. Ooh, look at that! It dropped back down 25. I would say if DraftKings ever hits 24, grab for sure. But no, DraftKings is gonna be such a win. Oh my god. All right, let me go back to my portfolio. Been a moment since I took on what we got. Facebook, what in the hell did you do? Did something stupid for a moment. What the hell is this? What's going on with Facebook? All right, Facebook, you doing something stupid right now? Yada 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 for a minute, bro. Yada yada yada. Nothing that would shock the waves. I guess people are just yeah, that sell off from it, the gains like this. Facebook here. Facebook. Oh Jesus, look at that. Yeah, what the shit, dude? Why? Dude. Yeah, they're selling their profits. You son of a bitch, guys. Let it. Yeah, they saw, hey, look at 10-15. This is when you're gonna start buying more Facebook. Hopefully it launches right. Actually, look at the green going on the way down. Good flipping. That's, yeah, come on, don't be stupid. Yeah, launch back up. Still showing those numbers. There we go, a little bit of green. Be a high green. Yep, there we go. Come on, spike higher, make it look sexier. Oops. Uh-oh, candlestick. What you doing? Nope. That's gonna make everyone look scared. You don't do that shit. Need a heavy rebound from you. Like, see, there's this, all this I want this to grab again. Yeah, whatever. All right. So once you start looking at one thing too long, you're stuck on it too long. Already got DraftKings. Okay. We talked about Genesis, so like that already happened. Good too. Stuck on that one. Nice. What do I think about Hubs? See. Beyond still at 133. If you ever see Beyond at 125, grab it for now. Up to 130. That's Miracle Grow found its new spot at 136. It looks like. Man, come on, guys, give me my profit back. And all right. Ooh, look at that! It dipped down to 220. So yeah, this is good sell-offs. People making money. It's gonna do it. Hey, you know what? Actually, if you have money to jump on Facebook, dip going on. Oh, Genesis is about to go up a little bit. Here it had its sell-off. Might come back up to 80 cents. But no, Genesis just got their little boost because of the talks of being bought out, right, by Amazon, I believe. Alrighty. All right, yes, chat's looking healthy, guys. Oh, let's make sure I didn't mute shit again, right? Okay. I mean, stuff. Make sure we didn't mute stuff. Jesus Christ. Yeah, turn around, dude. It's freaking Disney. Like, I get that, you know what, maybe more people have their ear to the ground about that second wave than I thought. But I'm picturing people to take advantage of that week, at least while Disney's open, you know? Yeah, that was a sell-off point. Come on, now we're gonna see the turn. Green, yeah, down, but shows green on the way down here near. Green going back up. All right, perfect, good. Just Disney, don't be stupid, man. Why you should have had your good numbers yesterday. That's the only thing I'm confused by. Okay. ERI. Oh yeah, the resort. Still doing its thing. Good little bump there. That's awesome, man. Yep, Vegas is gonna take off. Have a little bit and everything there, right? Oh yeah, but normally I'm gonna let the week go through. Mondays are Mondays. That's definitely had our Monday. But no, we should have profits throughout the week. Be a beautiful week. Things are good to just stay where they are. I gotta come back from that. I made a jump over to draft when it was at 26 going up, and I jumped out of something I shouldn't have jumped out of. But no, I thought draft was on its up and up earlier in the week. Now it's on its up and up. But regardless, I'm just gonna get myself back up from there. It's yada. If anything, I'm focusing more on the group, you know. Okay. Robert Kraft and Jenner invested millions. It's worth millions, dude. It's gonna go. Oh my god, it's gonna buy. Tentatively, yeah. There, it was touch and go. That's why I'm so confused about why Disney didn't just skyrocket, because they're actually saying they might actually open up slowly. These parks, like, you know, the eateries, maybe one section of it at a time, this and that. Like, I think Shanghai is actually probably doing a good job showing what it can be. But if anything, like I said, I'm keeping my ear to the ground about that second wave pretty close. So we're gonna see how that rolls. Hey, Patrice, thank you for the follow. Hell yeah, welcome to the stock fam. Thanks for coming in. But yeah, no, Disney should have a quick, easy flip this week. I don't know why I wouldn't see it today, especially with that news. Like, it should easily go $3 higher than it opened. So we're gonna see how that rolls. Because the virus peaked. Is it what again? No offense, but we shouldn't be opening up a Disneyland until we're on a lower end of it. Now we're hearing that it's peaking. Let's see. News. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, yada. Yep. But that's what I'm saying. I'm mainly thinking of riding this, like, especially. Oh, John, you're out of here? Gotta go to work? All right, man. I'll see you around, John. Thanks for being here with us. All right. See, well, I really didn't understand. Oh, so it peaked. So they're gonna start saying open it up. Like, don't you open it up when the peak is like low? Or I get it. Like at least it wasn't open while it was reaching the peak, right? I get it. But oh man, I'm really curious to see how they get you. Facebook, turn your ass around. What is this craziness? Yeah, get back up there, you crazy Facebook. There, look at. Oh, here we go, Disney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last 5 minutes, we're seeing this. Good. Drop up. Get your butt back up there, dude. Yeah. I don't want to see this red. This is ridiculous. All right. Stopped right. Yeah. Green. 5 minutes straight. It's gonna go up. All right. Awesome. Facebook. You're crazy ass doing right now. Oh, that's the one I was looking at. Facebook is going up. All right, good. Disney, you're also going up. Oh, shoot, dude. They were both going up simultaneously. Up and up. Beautiful. Look at that. All right. Yeah, nice. Yeah, all right, guys, let's look at that portfolio again. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, guys. Agreed again. Virus is peaking for sure. All right. So there was this moment where I lost 60 viewers just because, oh, son of a bitch, because I touched my microphone. No more touching you. Apparently, you are a like very skittish device to the point where I can't trust you. All right. Oh, all right, Ian. This is gonna be it, guys. We're gonna look at Ian's request right here, and then I think we're close to calling this a night. We're gonna do a little wrap up of seeing how the morning went, what we did look at. ACO brands gonna come back up, if anything, right? Let's see. Engages the manufacture and marketing of offices, schools, calendar products. It's a big buy, extremely great buy, great hold. It's on its dip, so it's easily going to come back to 615. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, no, especially while it's on its dip at the moment. Jump on that. That's a great one. It's going to rise 675. Let's see, ACO brands. I'll do you the quick of seeing its by the way, everybody, thank you for the donations today. Thank you for the likes today. Thank you for sharing the streams today. Everything's been awesome, man. Wholly out of Disney week. Like, I know I'm expecting to see some up on it, but this is ridiculous. Disney, you're supposed to turn this as of yesterday. I get, you know what? It's 7 a.m. I gotta relax. It's 7 a.m. The day hasn't even started yet. A wrap up would be great. Wait, Patrice, thank you for coming back in. Don't worry, they'll come back. Yes, they always come back, right? Richard's off today. Hell yeah, man. Okay, so let's get off of this. We're gonna look at like I said, the ACO green. It's gonna go up here in a moment. I wouldn't know what to. 6 break 6. I think with all this green, you know what? Actually, holy shit. ACO is showing a lot of green here. ACO's gonna go up. I think there's gonna be a convergence right here, or divergence. I think it's gonna shoot from like 590 back up to $6. It's like that. That'd be cool to see. But look at this. See all this green on the decline? Green on the decline. I think this is showing signs of a divergence. I think this is going to shoot right back up to where it was, 610. Keep track of that one. Follow it. Let me know. I would be curious to see if I was right on that one. So ACO, and what was the other one you have? TWO. Definitely on the low today. Big hold, big buy. Estimated was 29, actual was 25. I wonder if these earnings were recent. If so, that's what these are. You're just experiencing the dip because of the actual being lower than the estimated. So once you start seeing it done, being on the bottom, you would jump back on it. What would the bottom be? I don't know. Green. Showing a lot of green resistance here on the way down. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Yeah, Harbors is gonna come back around. Let's see, it had that drop, but while it had its drop, hide for now. A lot of green on its way down. It's gonna go up. I think those were sell-offs. How much green? I think you may see this one come back. Well, that's my thought on Two Harbors on that. Yeah, I think it has signs of back. It's mid, but it's gonna spike up. As far as, yeah, it's a good buy, good hold, so you can't go wrong with it, I'm sure. What's up, guys? I see a lot more eyes in here. Hit follow if you haven't already. We are about to do a quick little wrap up. Yeah, you're welcome, man. I hope you've hit and follow already. Glad to have you part of the stock fam. You know, come back in tomorrow and see what we can look and do again, right? So yeah, today we have looked at, let's go down our little portfolio of what we kind of looked at. We've looked at American Airlines. We've, you know, I believe the airlines is going to be on its way up again. But we were looking at mainly Tesla. Oh my gosh, actually, I want to see how Tesla's looking right now again. Blow me away, Tesla. I don't, how can you make like comments about picking up and moving your company and make profit? I don't get it. You're new here, Keith. What up, dude? Thank you for coming to the stock fam, dude. You're gonna feel you're gonna seriously, dude, get to know people in the chat. Like seriously, you got Mike, John, Richard. You got a lot of noobs here. I'm sorry, not noobs, but people here that would make you feel so welcome. With the stock fam is definitely a family. Patrice, same to you. Thank you for being new here, and you're gonna feel like a regular in no time. Like I said, the schedule is Monday through Friday, 5:30. The streams start. We average about 100 viewers. Sadly, I touched my microphone and it muted for about 5-7 minutes. That was ridiculous. So it took a little dip. But other than that, yeah, we usually have 100 eyes in here. A lot of people talking in the chat all at once. Everyone's knocking off their ideas of who they're looking out for, who's doing good. Like if something all of a sudden is spiking up in the moment, somebody's in the chat just going, look at this rocket shooting up. So everyone in this stock fam has been an amazing. I'm such a scrub. You scrub. Richard, get better. No, nah, but no, I have a lot of regulars already, and it seriously feels great coming back and saying good morning to all the same people, and just great. But mainly our wrap up is Disney and Facebook are having a stupid roller coaster right now, on the up and up. Come on. But yeah, that's my end right there. But no, American Airlines is looking good. We were also like, let me scroll up to see what kind of things we're looking at. DraftKings, of course, has always been an awesome thing to watch rise up. It's got its earnings at the end of the week. Katos, we were looking at Katos a little further, kind of in speculation of going, what the hell's wrong with it? Finding out that it's more so just a lot of people are trying to use Katos as a quick money maker right now, because it did have a whole lot of good news feed over the weekend. And so what ended up happening was people jumped on it to the point where instead of getting up there, they made it stagnant, and it's son of a gun with that one. It's still going to rise up once people are done selling it as hard as they are. But it's, like I said, it's just going to take that moment. Yeah, good. There, that spike is a little, my web browser is looking a little more refreshed than the right side, which is a good thing because that is kind of scary to look at. All right. So regardless, what I was looking at, yeah, Disney's on the buy right now. Look at this. They're making quick sells, and it's gonna get caught up. 707. Okay, up 7 for how much longer? Up to here. People are, look at how much they're buying, hundreds at a time, selling hundreds at a time, buying hundreds. Okay. By the end of the day, I like to think it's going to be done with its sells, and then it's, yeah, everyone's going to be done with their quick flips, and it's going to go up. Facebook. Really love being able to operate my phone through like that. It's like, oh, dude, I can make it huge. Oh, well, you're right there. Awesome. Look at this. This is cool. I like this view right here. Facebook. Big sales on Facebook. Oh, it's because they topped off so high. No, everyone's just selling Facebook here and there because it's more of, there's no new news on Facebook out right now that's driving it up. So everyone's just trying to like make quick grabs on it. Facebook, I purchased you at 211.80. Did I just watch you drop to 210 and get you again? Disney, your flip. There you go. 108.4. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna not touch things. Let things roll out. Facebook. Yeah, once the people are done. Staying steady up to 1. Keep fighting it around. Might see that 113 soon, actually. 213. All right. So sorry guys, I realized I wasn't all the way on the chat right there. What about okay, the quality, yes, buy Disney now. Patrice, when it comes to Disney, actually, yeah, I would say buy Disney at a, yeah, no, this is great. I'd say I purchased 108. You might want to purchase maybe 107.90 or something like that, just so you can see a little more green within the day. But yeah, no, Disney's, I'm picturing going up within the week here, but I'm also, keep in mind though, if buying Disney, I'm keeping my ear to the ground about that second wave of possible coronavirus. Oh no, is the audio out of sync for anyone else? I'm gonna keep that in mind. Well, if anything, it's about to come to an end, and then hopefully the next stream starts better. I hate to think that it is out of sync, because if it is out of sync, why is Eric the only one speaking up? Come on, guys. But no, Disney, I'm keeping my ear close to the ground about a second wave, so it's iffy. Like, even I'm becoming iffy on Disney right now. My main shares are on Facebook. It's showing a little dip right now, of course, but Facebook, look at, it's coming back to what it was, if not more. So, yeah, Facebook is just gonna have nothing but more and more integration. It proved that it can withstand the first wave, so that's where I'm at. New to stocks in general. Got better. Oh, it did get better. Oh, perfect. Good. All right, guys. We hit 7-11. You know what? It is one of those times where if I just keep going, I'm never gonna stop. I'll never stop. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna say thank you to everybody who liked the stream. We got a whole lot of new followers in here. Today, it's not really picturing like what were those main ups. Mark. The Remark Holdings, we were looking at this. It had its good boost. People are making that. It might even continue rising to a degree, but people are making some money off that one there. We were also, Tilroy's also coming back because this is on par with Ace, the Aurora Cannabis. But they are doing much better than Aurora Cannabis. If anything, this is like the marijuana way to go. Damn it, look at that dip. I wish I'd taken advantage of that dip. But like I said, I got my shares in order. A beautiful one. I rode my Scott's Miracle Grow to 139, sold that. I believe it's at 137 now, just holding. That's Miracle Grow 138. All right, it's in a crazy wave. I think it found its new. Actually, yeah, kind of. It may keep going, but meantime, I cashed out on Facebook. You better brighten the fuck up here. I mean, darn it. But yeah, no, guys, that's the day. Been streaming for the last hour and a half. A new follower here. Looking forward to your streams, Matt. Thank you for joining and being part of the. Also, Kayla's first day here. First day, and we'll be back. Guys, I am so happy to see that we got all these new followers. It's the family keeps growing. You got to keep joining the page, see what everyone's sharing, see what the conversations are being had. But yeah, Monday through Friday is what I'm doing. 5:30 live streams. The streams do get put up on the page for viewing after the fact. So what's going to happen is down the road, Facebook is going to release a feature where we can do $5 subscriptions a month and you guys can watch my live videos. Otherwise, you could save your $5 and not watch it live, but you would lose the opportunity to watch us pre-market and all that stuff. So, and I think it's always a fun experience. This is as much entertainment as it is stocks. This is a great way to just stay entertained. It's a great pastime right now, especially if there's ever a time where we could just launch this up and it doesn't even need to be at a stock open. We could do this, you know, just on a Saturday or something like that. Just talk stocks. We could talk through Candlestick, show you the ways that I look at my graphs, and you know, from there we could just turn this into something, guys. All right. Sold draft at 26 profit. Hell yeah, dude. And it's definitely gonna drop back down. Like I said, it's a roller coaster. I'm surprised it didn't drop already. Good. Got that profit. Good, buddy. Hell yeah, man. But no, it's gonna drop. Well, I think it's gonna hit 23 again before Friday, because it's got the earnings, right? But if you see it drop, if you see it drop anywhere near 23 again, it's an instant grab, guys. Like even right now, it's a grab and it's a profit. But if you want to see it green throughout the week, just wait a little longer. I feel like it may hit that 23 again before the Friday's earnings. Hoping to see me every day, An. I hope to see your name every day, buddy. Trust me, I already have an eye out for so many followers right now. Like I said, like I could go up my list and name some of my regulars already. Like I got Richard, I got Patrice. You're going to be a new regular, right? But no, I got see, we've had Richard here. Keith is a new guy. My gosh, it's been a moment. I guess once I started saying my goodbyes, everybody knew that I was trying to split, so they split. But no, I'm not even joking there. We have regulars in this family already that as you come in the morning, you are saying good morning, like to specific names. You are having new friends when you join this page. All right. But yeah, I think it is going to be that time. As much as I keep saying it, I keep looking back at the chat. I look at 74 prying eyes and I'm like, oh damn it, it's really hard to say goodbye when you have eyes like that. But you know what, Badin, that's right, Badin is a regular for sure. Hell yeah, buddy. Brand new but returning for sure. Goddamn straight. Know the name. All right, hey, oh god, how one hun JN, I'm sorry, but how would I Francisco Pierre, you know what, Pierre, I'm gonna hey Pierre, how's it going? But I'm sorry, I don't want to butcher names, but yeah, Pierre, I'm gonna definitely have an you know what, everyone, if you want me to remember you, talk in the chat right now, get your name, say, you know what, my name is this, I want you to remember me as a regular, I will be back. Put yourself down there in the chat. Let me get to know you a little bit real quick. What eyes I'll be looking out for. But yeah, brand new returning Patrice, thank you so much. Like I said, saw you as soon as you came in saying I'm new here and that you're loving this, and it stood out. So Patrice, definitely when your name comes back, light bulbs are going to be going off and I'll be welcoming you in open arms, of course. Luis, thank you for being here, man. Richard, of course. You are my new morning talk show, replacing my morning shows. Yeah. Oh shit. Nikki, you know, I mean, I'm. Oh heck. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's. Is it caught up? Well, heck yeah. All right. Yeah. New morning ritual is an awesome thing to hear. Actually, that is like the best possible thing to hear. But yeah, no, I'm been aiming to be just that. I would love to be everyone's new morning ritual, to have everyone saying good morning to each other, and that's a great way to start every day. It's a great way to start every day. Think about it, guys. Like, hey, how'd your day start? Well, my day started with my stock talk and saying good morning to my fellow 50 family members, and this is, yeah, we got a good thing going here, guys. We got a great thing. Keith, all right, Keith Judith, I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for you, buddy. Keith, all right. Next time I see you around here, hell yeah. Keith Judith, Ann from New York, right on, buddy. Always hoping to see you back. Nikki, we got our newbie here, right on. Richard's a great guy. He's been talking to me personally here and there. If you're not, you're catching up on videos. See, that's another thing I'd love to hear. Gary, thanks for seeing you. Gary Lee, man, Gary Lee. Looking forward to having you coming back, Gary. All right, seriously, like, but no, to know that it's being used as a podcast practically, that you can go back and hear it. I apologize now for the 7 minutes of silence when I muted my mic on this episode. So just know, if you go back and rewatch this episode, there's gonna be about 7 minutes of my mic being muted, me looking stupid. but you get to still see what's on the screen and what we're slightly talking about. You see me following graphs, yada yada. But there was that moment there. Don't forget Richard, remember. It's shit like that that's gonna help me remember you. Kevin, is that what that is? Kevin? I hope I'm not getting that wrong. Donegan, Kevin Donegan. Kevin, great having you here, man. Thanks for joining the stock family. Way more informative. Oh my god, I'm glad to hear that. So what were you listening to prior? What, like, just I would love to hear what I'm being put up against, right? But yeah, Keith, you from Phoenix, right on. New idea, stock of the day pick. Gary, like, you know, I'm kind of like wanting to go in that direction. It's kind of hard to, you know, put down and say, you know, this will be the stock of the day. This is what's gonna make Facebook. Look at that. Look at that green candlestick. Oh, you better settle up there, candlestick. Stop moving. Stop moving. Just let the next candlestick start. Facebook. See, look at that. That's what I. Yeah, keep doing it. There we go. Back in the. All right. But see, stock of the day. What would it be? What would our stock of the day be? It might have been Mark's Holdings, but it's mainly because we don't see where it's gonna top at. Looking beautiful, but I don't know where it's gonna top out at. A lot of green. Like, you could go Mark if you're watching the candlesticks nice and close. Look at this. Gain, little sell, gain, little sell, gain, big sell, bigger gain, sell. Keep a close eye on Mark, I would say. Then if you want any kind of quick turns, you have day sells available. Pull up the candlestick on Mark. All right, guys. But let me give another. Yep, Kevin, right on. I got that right. Buster, stocks to watch today are VTQ, Chap, TTNP, Mark. Yep, Mark was on there. AMC, Envis. Actually, Envis is still there. It's still in the spotlight. I was thinking it was no longer there. I think it had it. I thought it had its run, but no. Keep an eye on Envis. He's right about that one. And Katos. I am so glad that Katos is on that list, guys. If you go to the page, I have a analysis on Katos that I've been making since Saturday, that it should be turning, and I thought it should have turned yesterday more so than it has today. But no, I'm glad to hear that Katos was on there, because, you know, I someone mentioned it once, we looked at it and we're like, hey, this thing has potential, and I'm glad. Here, look at Facebook. There we go. But no, glad to hear that's on there. Oh, that's right. Richard, let me bring that up for you. Do not count NCLH. All right. Okay, Katos is on fire still, right? Yeah, exact. But no, LORL. Guys, this is going to be a, this is Richard giving everyone a heads up for the stock family exclusive right here to a certain degree. He is on the in of some dividends that are coming in. Now, what were we set up at? It was $5.50 per, and the release is you have to get it by Wednesday is what it was, right? So per stock on Stock Talk messages. Everyone was personally trying to get a hold of me saying I can't hear. Guys, that is awesome. As much as I hate that I screwed up that hard, Kishal, Danny, thank you for trying to personally reach out to me about that issue with the mic. That is awesome that you guys are helping me moderate this, making sure that the experience for all this is good for everybody and yourself. And so just thank you so much for at the end of today, X date is tomorrow. All right, but no, thank you everybody for helping me moderate this channel and being on top of it. You guys are helping this turn into what it is. Nick, thanks for that follow, bro. Here, all right, here we are. He's sharing that we got this stocks paying healthy dividends on the 28th of this month. Let's see, like he says, it's you have to purchase this before the end of today to be in for the dividends. Am I correct, Richard, that I'm assuming you would have to hold it until the dividends come, I assume, which is on the 28th. But that is a good promise of knowing you're getting $5.50 per. Not even just that. What are they looking like themselves? Let's see. Healthy. I don't know how it got so damn high on that jump to sell off, but it's reasonable that they did. Here, a lot of green coming up, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to purchase as of today just to get in on the dividends, possibly last minute. Maybe it might even be at the very end of the day you'll see that reflection. But no, thank you. So Richard gave us the heads up on that one about that dividend. So thanks, Richard, on that one. Like he said, you have to get in on that prior to the end of close. He's locked in himself. Hell yeah. Do not think the hold is necessary. You just have to purchase it within the day, sell by tomorrow. What do you think that is? Oh, okay. So if you just held it on this date, that is it. All right, I see what you're saying. All right, so no, that, oh god, the funds to throw down, but everything's held. But yeah, no, that is our heads up from Richard, everybody, and this is reasons why you join the page to get things like this. Good heads up. Don't go, Luis says. No, I'm sorry. Yep, but you know, it is itching that time of day, guys. But no, guys, I can't stress enough how awesome it was to see all the new followers today, all the new likes, everything. So I am looking forward. This is the wrap up, guys. Here it is. This is me saying goodbye. This is me saying I'm looking forward to saying good morning to everybody tomorrow morning. Fingers crossed that everyone's stocks today look healthy. We are looking forward to all the conversations we can have tomorrow. Think of some good things to bring to the table. If you guys run into some news, pin it down. Bring it to all of us tomorrow. But hit follow if you haven't already. You get the notifications about when we go live. Hit like if you haven't already. Be part of the Stock Talk family. And thank you so much for being here today, guys. See you tomorrow. And I just want to, I feel driven to say goodnight because I am going to pass right out right now. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy the music. Enjoy this little transition. And I'll see you on the breakaway. Oh no, Memento. I just need the right pictures here. Ending soon. There we go. And let's hide that tech. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.
Hey, that follow button still works. Yeah, hitting that button yet? Hit the button. Do it.
sends me to the peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. A melody where I belong in this life. The final beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak. Can't we find any light without the music around? There will always be one love on life. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. A melody where I belong in this life. In this life.
Hey, did you hit follow yet? Hit that follow. Hey, Susan, thanks for hitting that follow. Hell yeah. All right, this is my final reminder to just hit that follow if you haven't already. Like the page. I'll be up live tomorrow, 5:30 in the morning, Pacific time, where we're at. So yeah, go ahead and anticipate it. Get the live notifications, guys. All right, peace out, Scott fam. See you later. If you haven't already, like the page. I'll be up live tomorrow, 5:30 in the morning.